Basically, yeah, it's been an ambition of ours to always have one. We couldn't have one on our last property, and we thought, new build, new house, let's have one on the back. We like spending a lot of time outside. I did quite a lot of research with regard to different companies, tried to get brochures from some companies. They weren't even keen on sending brochures through, but they actually gave us a price to start with without being pestering and wanting to come around and measure up, etc. And I just felt confident in moving forward with them, really. Everybody we dealt with on the phone over at ConservatoryLand was always helpful. If they promised to send us some pictures or some drawings, they were there immediately via email, etc. Installers were great. He kept us informed, he told us what he was doing, he explained everything as it was going on. It took him 2 days to do this. I was amazed how quickly it actually went up, but yeah, 2 days, yeah. Yeah, and I would recommend having an installer. It's done very quickly, very efficiently, and with very little mess at all. Yeah, I would recommend ConservatoryLand, and to be quite honest, what we've got is a finished product that is delightful to be in. To be quite honest, we love it, and it's worth every penny that we paid for it, without doubt.